Well, Uber and Lyft drivers are quitting left and right. It's no surprise with gas prices through the roof and Uber and Lyft failing to raise rates for drivers that every single day we get messages in our Facebook group, we get messages in our comment section, I get messages on my email about drivers just fed up and moving on to different jobs. So I want to hear from you. Have you quit? And I'm going to get into this post, which I think sheds a ton of light on the current situation. And honestly, if a friend reached out to me and said, hey Dylan, should I drive for Uber right now? I honestly would really say, well, what are your goals? I mean, what are you trying to get out of this gig? This gig is not a long-term play. I really don't think it is, unless you're able to rent a car with Uber from Tesla. And anyways, we're gonna get started. Let's take a listen to this and really look into why so many Uber drivers are quitting right now. Firstly, I did want to tell you all about Solo, which is a brand new business app for gig workers. They have this guaranteed pay feature where you can sign up and actually start earning guaranteed pay, which is a great solution for a lot of drivers who aren't hitting that minimum guaranteed amount per hour. Obviously, if you're going out and making 50 bucks every single hour, then yeah, it might not be for you. But when you sign up with our link below, you're gonna get 15 bucks. They're just gonna literally send you 15 bucks for signing up. You could even sign up for the free plan, which is nationwide, or sign up for one of these other ones too. So check out the link below and look at this, my friends. So Kevin Wagner in our Facebook group, and check out our Facebook group, by the way, 18,000 members, okay? We got people sharing updates left and right, up, down, side, and middle. Look at this. Kevin Wagner shared this screenshot. He went out and drove for Friday, Saturday, which are typically the busiest days of the week, and he made top 81 bucks on the Friday and around 62 bucks on the Saturday, and he spent $75 in gas. He said, you're not sure this gig is worth it anymore. Let's take a look at the comments. Aaron Zapata said, where do you drive? Rodney Jones says, it ain't. Jackson said, where are you driving? Arkansas. Okay, this guy gotta be the best looking Uber driver I've seen in my life, okay? But no, for serious, I mean, 8 hours of online driving, my friends, and you're spending 75 bucks in gas. That means you're netting, what, 78 bucks? And I mean, $78 for 8 hours, that's less than 10 bucks an hour. You're still putting wear and tear in your car. Your car is depreciating in value. You're basically paying, to drive Uber. You're basically, going out and, dedicating your Friday and Saturday, 4 hours each day, which is not 4 hours is quite a bit of a chunk of change, and, you're basically losing money. So that's why so many drivers are quitting, moving on, driving. You can go up and sign up to be a, truck driver. Truck driver, Walmart pay. Look at this. If you go out and drive for Walmart, truck driving, 85,000 bucks a year. Is Walmart paying truck drivers 100,000? Walmart said its drivers can now make $110,000 in the first year of the company. So many drivers are doing that. They're ditching the apps. They're ditching their passengers and just doing truck driving. So anyways, let me know what your thoughts are, if you're quitting or if you're playing this. And check out Solo. Again, average workers who use Solo take home $5,000 more per year, and they're gonna send you 15 bucks when you sign up, and you can get access to the guaranteed pay feature, which is available in these markets, but they do have a feature that is guaranteed that is available nationwide. So check out the link below for Solo, get your 15 bucks. Let me know, are you quitting? Are you staying around? Bye now.